Do you live and breathe RGB? Could you use some better keycaps? Well, today HyperX has a solution, the double shot PBT Keycaps, making your keyboard look absolutely fantastic. $24.99, full guide included, and 2-year warranty.
Hey, John here with Real Hard Reviews. Today, I'm not reviewing a keyboard per se, and I hope you like that little intro. That was something a little different I thought I had to do for something like this. I'm looking at a product that is only $24.99, and it is for the RGB crowd out there. And as long as I can reach it, there it is. The HyperX double shot PBT Keycaps. So this is a full key set for any HyperX keyboard, or really any MX series keyboard, mechanical keyboard. Anything with the clicky, it will work with. It comes with these shine through, translucent design, lustrous RGB lighting caps. So why would you want these? Well, maybe you want your keyboard to have a nice white top to it, so maybe you don't have RGB. You just have the red or the blue or the green colored keyboard. It just lights up one color. But you really want the tops to go from this black color to a nice white. That's one option. You can also order these in black, so maybe your keys are looking faded. Do you want to replace them? The real selling point here is the fact that that high UV sensitive lower half of the keys will just shine through with your RGB. I mean, you may need sunglasses. We will find out. But again, this is only $24.99. These were just released by HyperX. 2-year warranty. That's like scuff break kind of things like that, which is pretty freaking amazing for $24.99 keycaps. So what do we get in there? We get a guide, and it is literally how your keyboard should be laid out. So if you have a keyboard with a layout similar to this, these keycaps will work for you, as long as it's mechanical, so that they can clip into the same mechanism. Nice, beautiful, fancy. I like how they have that little guide there, so you don't have to have another keyboard beside you, because you say you know where they all go, but I'm sure you'll, if you're like me, you're going to forget halfway through. So you got the keycaps, boom, you got one set, you got another set, you got another set, so we got enough here to do the whole thing. So now I'm going to move the camera overhead. I'm going to do a little fast motion of me installing this, and let's see how this goes, and then we'll review the rest of it. So I'll be right back. So what do I think about the install of the HyperX double shot PBT keycaps? They are damn nice, like really nice. Nice and easy install. Takes a little while because you got to pull every single cap, add them back in, but they look phenomenal. Like, I really love how they shine the red. I was thinking they're gonna be more of a pink with their reds and stuff, but it truly does look beautiful. LEDs shine right through on the keys, just as good if not better than they previously did. On the sides, you have that beautiful colors coming through on the high UV sides. These are fully oil resistant putting keycaps, which is really cool. They're supposed to last longer than standard keycaps. Only $24.99, free shipping on Amazon. Why not? Affiliate link in the description below. And with that, there's really not a lot more I can say about a keycap. Other than, if you love RGB, this is the keycap for you. If you just want your keyboard to look shiny, spiffy, and new, maybe your keys are a little worn out, maybe check out the HyperX double shot PBT keycaps. Only $24.99. Make your old mechanical keyboard look like new. Nice white covers. They do feel nice. Like, they have a nice kind of matte resistance to them, like a really, really fine sanding to them, so they're not slippery or anything like that. They do feel nice. They do look amazing. I'm hoping I'm getting this in here in the shots good enough, but again, $24.99, and these things are beautiful. With that, I'm John with Real Hard Reviews. There's not a whole lot more I can say about keycaps, but I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to smash the like button, comment, subscribe. I'm going to be hopping into a bunch more videos, sadly, in about 2 weeks from now. I have to take a little bit of a break. Got some family stuff coming up. Hopefully our other video guy will jump in the interim while I am gone. With that, I may get a couple of little videos I've had in the back end for a while where I just got to do some voiceover for you guys.
which I really do love how some of these videos worked, but I'm hoping I can get them out before I'm gone. With that, I'm John with Real Hard Reviews. Thanks for stopping by. Have yourselves an amazing day. Goodbye.